Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create and manage product groups from the admin panel. You will also understand why product groups are useful for your business. A product group is a section where you can show selected products together on your website. For example, bestsellers, featured products, or trending designs. Product groups are a powerful facility. They allow you to add multiple categories into one single group. You can add specific bestsellers or high demand designs into one place. This helps customers find popular products on faster. And when customers discover products easily, it helps your business grow 2x faster. Now, let me show you how to do this step by step. First, log in to your admin panel. From the dashboard, click on the product group section. Here you can see a total of 6 product groups. You can edit or delete any product group. To edit a group, click on the pencil icon. To delete a group, click on the delete icon. After click pencil icon, you can go edit page. Here you can change the product group title. You can also update the group image if you require. Now, first select a category. Once you select a category, the related subcategories will appear. Now, select the subcategory. All related product designs will automatically appear below. Simply tick the products you want to show in this group. If you don't want a product, just untick it. Just scroll down and you can see the add button and delete button. The add button is used to add selected products and the delete button is used to remove the selected products. After making changes, save the group. Now go to your website and refresh the page. Your product group is live. That's how you can create and manage product group easily. See you in the next tutorial.